broken window hinges, or balance springs can seriously mess with your window's smooth operation and security, so fixing them fast is key. Alright, so if your window's feeling stuck or just won't stay upright, it's probably those hinges or balance springs acting up. First up, check if the hinges are bent or rusty. Sometimes a little WD-40 and some tightening bolts can do the trick. If a hinge is cracked or totally broken, you gotta swap it out for a new one that matches your window model. Balance springs, on the other hand, are what help the window stay open without slamming shut on you, so if those snap or lose tension, replacement is the only fix. When replacing balance springs, make sure you get the exact size and weight rating for your window to avoid more hassle later. Also, don't forget to clean the entire track and hinges while you're at it, since dirt and grime can make everything worse. Use gloves and safety glasses to keep yourself safe during the repair. Those springs can be surprisingly springy. If you're not super comfortable with tools, no shame in calling a pro, because messing with these parts wrong can cause more damage or injury. One of the biggest mistakes people make with broken window hinges or balance springs is ignoring the problem until it gets way worse, which can lead to cracked glass or even a full window replacement. To fix this, catch issues early by testing your windows regularly for smooth movement and any odd noises. Another common problem is using the wrong replacement parts. It sounds small, but using parts not made for your specific window type can cause poor fit and function. Always double-check part numbers or consult the manufacturer. Lastly, skipping safety precautions like wearing gloves or not supporting the window while working can lead to nasty cuts or damaged windows. Always take your time and prepare properly before starting work. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to window repairs and more. Plus, if you are a contractor, BigHomeProjects.com helps you find steady work by putting you right in front of homeowners who need your skills.